When a camper is plugged in and starts beeping, it can be due to several reasons. A low voltage battery or improper charging may be the cause, as well as issues with the carbon monoxide or propane detectors, which may have low batteries or be alerting to a problem. The electrical system may have been installed incorrectly, or it could be experiencing an overload or short circuit. Additionally, if the camper is equipped with an alarm system, it may be beeping to signal a problem. To stop the beeping, it's necessary to check the battery voltage and charge it if it's low. The CO2 and propane detectors should also be checked, and their batteries replaced if necessary. Inspecting the electrical wiring and hiring a professional to replace any faulty elements may also be required. Consulting the camper's manual, specifically the troubleshooting section, can provide specific measures to identify and fix the cause of the beep. Resetting the alarm system may also resolve the issue. If none of these measures work, it's best to consult a professional RV technician to conduct an inspection and repair the problem. By following these steps, the beeping can be stopped, and the camper can function properly again.